Welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make something very delicious. I'm gonna make some turmeric sliced snapper fish. Here is my fish, all nice and clean and dried. Wash it with vinegar and salt and lemon. And here are my ingredients that I'm working with today. I'm gonna be using some okra, garlic, peppers, green onion. This is bell peppers, 3 different colors, onion, ginger, turmeric, my masala blend, and my cardamom. And there's my turmeric, some coriander, some cumin, ginger, red pepper, salt and pepper, a little all-purpose, and some chili with my coconut cream. Here is my, I already made my paste. This is my turmeric paste with half a cup of turmeric, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. So while my fish is nice and dry, I'm going to put some of my paste that I made over it and put it to soak for a half an hour for it to marinate. So guys, here's my fish. I'm gonna let it sit for half an hour. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, that little bell button, to Fergie's Kitchen. So guys, I'm gonna make a masala sauce for my fish. This is my jalapeno pepper, my red pepper, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili, 1 teaspoon cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon coriander, 4 tablespoons of water. Okay guys, I'm ready to start frying my fish a little bit. So about, I'm going to do 1 tablespoon for each pieces because they're big fish. I'm gonna fry it on each side for like 4 or 5 minutes on each side. So guys, with my fish already fried, they're so huge. I'm using the same pot. I'm gonna put 2 pieces of garlic and a piece of pepper, grated onion, with some small pieces of garlic. I'm gonna add my sauce. Okay guys, let's throw some seasoning in this pot now with the fish. Half of coconut cream, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of masala blend, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, pepper, black pepper, ground black pepper. Some salt. And some of my Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. I'm gonna have my scallion, onions, bell peppers, and my hot pepper. I'm gonna let this cook for like 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my okra and some more turmeric. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and come on down to Fergie's Kitchen. Here's I just put some thyme in. I'm putting in some okra. I'm gonna have this cook for another 10 minutes. But I have a little secret. I boiled some tamarind juice. Add 2 tablespoons. This is what you call flavor. I'll see you in 10 minutes. So my FK gang, we're at the end of another day's journey. Complete job, very delicious. I'm here to present from Fergie's Kitchen my sliced turmeric fish. So that's my snapper. And as you see, I make some rice and peas, working hard, and some vegetables, steamed vegetables to go with it. But guys, the fish is off the chain. I hope you guys enjoy. And as you know, I do my scripture. My scripture of the day is coming from 1 Thessalonians 5, verse 15. See that no one returns evil for evil to everyone, but always follow after which is good for one another and for all. Do not return evil for evil, guys. When somebody do you wrong, just love them. My mom taught me that. And the message from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, the motivation is to be enough for yourself first. The rest of the world can wait. All right? Make sure you take care of you first. The rest can wait. Guys, I'm sending so much love for you. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell everyone all the different meals and the craziness that goes on in Fergie's Kitchen. Thank you for tuning into my channel.